Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We have something new today. It's called Hooked on Love by MAKARTT. So, first things first, let's go ahead and show you guys what they just launched. This is the Hooked on Love decoration kit. Use my code for 15% off to save you guys some money. Money, 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 money. Alright, so as you see here, it comes with some really cute Valentine stickers. And I do a design using all of this stuff except the Polygel Kit in the next video, so stay tuned. Alright, along with the stickers, you also get some glitters. Most of these have hearts in them, and then you get some AB hearts, some pink hearts, and some red hearts. Gems, that is, guys. So I'm going to quickly show you each glitter that you will get. And they are gorgeous. And guys, you can get this whole entire collection for $90. I think it's well worth it than paying separate for each one. And you'll see what comes in the entire kit in just a minute. I'm going to show you guys everything that they launched. Alright, now they just released these pump-ups. Now these are not the ones you want to use with gel. These are actually need to be glued on. And I actually do a set with these nails, like I said in the next video. They do come with these little sticker adhesives. And I will say I used those sticker adhesives in a set that I did last year. And guys, they stayed on for months. I did them on my toes, and they stayed on for like 2 months before I had to pry them off. So this is what they look like. They are extra, extra long, and they are like a matte top coat. You get 2 different colors. You get a dark pink and a light pink with each size. You get your glue, you get your file, you get an alcohol wipe, and then I show you, I'm comparing them to the XXL Coffin by Max Estrada. They are exactly the same length. But again, you'll have to use them as a press-on nail. Alright, and then they came out with the Hooked on Love gel polish set. Comes with 6 gorgeous polishes. 4 of them are creamy and 2 of them are glitters. And I show you in the matte, which is at the tip, and then glossy by the cuticle. And they are just so pretty. And you don't have to just use them for Valentine's. You can use them for summer, fall, winter. Oh, I love these glitters too. Looks like a glass slipper. A ruby glass slipper. And this one, oh my gosh. Love, 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 love. So there they are. All of the beautiful gel polishes. And here is the Hooked on Love Polygel Kit. Now I do have a little... there are some pros and cons. The pros is they are gorgeous colors that come in the kit. Alright, so it comes with your dual forms. It comes with your file, your spatula, your brush, your top coat, your base coat, and then 4 polygels. And they do all have a name, and I'm going to show you the swatches. This one is Puppy Love, and it's like a light pinkish kind of nude color. It's really nice. Now, this one is Loverboy, and do you see those hearts? Do you see how thick that is? Guys, I could not get that polygel out of the tube. I could not. I pushed. It took forever. I had to poke it. Anyway, we'll get back with that in a minute. This one is Jealousy, and it's a gorgeous glitter polygel. And then we have this one, and it's Heartbreaker, and it's a beautiful, like, red color. I absolutely love their polygels, but I will say that the one with the hearts It's so chunky that you cannot get it out of the tube. It took all I had to get that out of the tube, what you see there. I love it. Like, if I could get it out, it would be great. Anyway, so here is everything the MAKARTT just launched, you guys. I absolutely love the packaging on everything. But really quickly, I do want to show you this e-file. This was launched on the 5th of January, and I just hadn't received it yet. But it is their little e-file, like a handheld e-file. It's not big and bulky. It's perfect for like on the go. And I'm just showing you everything here. Like I said, it's really nice. We will do a full review on that in another day, But yeah, that's it. That's everything. And you can actually get the entire kit, like I said, for $90.99, excluding the e-file. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Go grab yourself some of this amazing new Hooked on Love nail art products from MAKARTT. And I will see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And I will see y'all in the next one.